All right, well, I went to put out the Christmas tree lights and my incandescent lights were dead, so we decided to try these new LED lights. They are the cheapest LED Christmas lights on Amazon, coming in at only $7.66 per 100 lights. I decided to upgrade to LED because LEDs last between 10,000 and 100,000 hours, so approximately 25 times longer, and I'm just tired of replacing the lights like every year. Plus, they use 75% less energy, and they're safer because they do not become as hot. And here's my personal favorite part is that if one bulb goes out, the rest of them stay lit. So just for that reason alone, this is going to be a yes. I'm just showing you the multiple color. It has 8 different color patterns. I do wish it came with a remote because you do have to shut it on and off manually, which is kind of annoying. So if you guys are going to get these lights, get a remote because then you don't have to climb behind the tree. Just click them on and off. I love this remote. So here I'm showing you, this was one set that I found that still worked. And then I'm trying to show you the difference between this is what the incandescent light looks like, which is a warmer looking light, but it is not as bright. It's very warm. Whereas these are very, very bright, which you're gonna see in a second when I turn off the lights and you can kind of see it sitting on the wall. Okay, so there you go. And guys, I did a whole separate unboxing and review, so I'll link to that down below if you want more specific information. But you can see here, the incandescent light is very, it's very dim sort of looking, and the LEDs are very, very bright. This is what the tree looks like, all completely redone because our lights burned out on this tree, which was so annoying. And this is a mix of warm white and bright white. This is a 7.5 foot tall tree, and this is completely done out with all 600 lights. I'm just showing you a close-up so you can see what it looks like. We are so happy with these lights. Oh yes, and by the way, you can connect up to 4 sets. So you just unscrew that piece and then you're gonna it's kind of confusing, but just watch what I'm doing here, okay? Unplug it. You don't need that second plug, but hold on to it. And then you're just gonna plug sort of the male-female plug in together like that, and then that will connect your lights. Boom, there you go. This is what it looks like with the lights out. It does look like it's throwing a green cast in this video, but it is not. In real life, it's just this warm white color, and it's very, very pretty. Taking you all the way inside the tree. Now we have a flocked tree, so I should have just bought 2 sets of clear, but I didn't. And this is what it looks like when the lights are on. Very, very pretty. Like this is kind of what I would look like, a department store kind of a tree. Super bright. And then this is what it looks like. You see how bright those are, guys? I mean, they are very bright, very pretty, and I love the fact that they're just gonna last forever. This is 5 stars for me.